Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Kluger. So I'm going to do today repair for the brake light bulb. So this one is side, the right hand side is doesn't work, the brake light. So I want to take it out, this whole complete light, to the inspect for the other lights also. You can see in here this side. So we have to off this, the back side panel. Then I already took off this two 10mm brackets, one off going here and the top one off here. So we have to remove this panel to the access for the brake light bulb, otherwise we cannot take this cover a little bit side to this way. So one plastic nut in here, take it out, this one. So after that we can lift up this part. Okay, you can see the back cover panel. If you want another 10mm screw in here, if you want remove this cover. Okay, we have another clip in here, clip going down here. I already off that one. Now we have more access. Okay guys, we have more access in here. Now you can see the bolt. So one bolt in here and other bolt in here. So we have to undo this bolt. This 10mm bolt. So other one in here. Get the one 10mm bolt and get the other one out. Okay, you can see the light is a little bit wiggly. So you can see the one black pin in here. This one. So after that we have to go into lever the brake light. All good. Okay, there's a two clip in here and one side clip. So I'm going to off the gloves. This you can see the getting black marks, the blown bulbs. Put the new double filament globes. So we're going to install the brake bulb, putting like this way. Then turn. That's it. It's not just going like this way. Okay, turn it. That's it. The last one for the reverse. Okay, turn. Oh, good. So right now we have to these two notches. Need to line it. Okay, the two this starts and in here this the plastic clip. Are good. Okay, we tied the two 10mm bolts. So then after you have to put back this all the cover back in. Lights on already. Okay, this part we have to first install to here. They have the 4 clips. So we install the back cover. Already done. Then we have to put back this cover. Then this clip back in. Guys, finally we close the panel and everything. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.